Let's have a comparison between CachyOS versus popos. Which Linux distro is best for gaming and performance? So first, we have CachyOS. It uses an optimized kernel with advanced scheduling and packages compiled for modern CPUs, which can boost responsiveness and reduce microstutter in games. Whereas popos has a separate ISOs with Nvidia drivers pre-installed. It's excellent hybrid graphics switching on laptops and auto GPU selection. If we talk about the performance, then CachyOS often edges ahead in raw FPS, especially on AMD rigs or when using bleeding-edge kernels and drivers. popos still delivers excellent performance but may lag slightly behind the bleeding-edge rolling distros in benchmark. If we talk about the ease of use, then popos is easier to install and maintain. It's great for beginners, whereas CachyOS gives more performance but expects you to be comfortable with Linux and updates. If we talk about the stability, then popos uses stable Ubuntu cores which tend to break less often, whereas CachyOS can introduce occasional issues because it tracks the latest packages. You can go with CachyOS if you want a maximum FPS and responsiveness, and if you are comfortable with the rolling release and occasional maintenance. But you can go with popos if you want simple, reliable gaming setup with minimal tweaking. If you are gaming on your laptop with hybrid GPUs such as Nvidia or Intel. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.